Hi friends, have a good day. In this video, we'll be seeing about the Rashtriya Indian Military College admissions for the academic year 2018. Last date of receiving offline applications is 30th September 2017. For any further information with regard to placement, higher studies and research, you can always subscribe to our channel, keep updated and stay connected with us for regular updates. The qualifying examination for admission to Rashtriya Indian Medical College Dehradun for July 2018 term will be held on 1st and 2nd of December 2017 at selected centers across India. This examination will consist of both written and viva examinations followed by the medical test. Last date of receiving offline applications is 30th September 2017. Approximately 25 cadets means persons will be admitted for every 6 months. This call is for July 2018 session, and for January 2019 session a call will be coming on November 2017. Admissions is restricted only for boys who desire to pursue their career in Defence Forces of India. Generally, one vacancy will be allotted per state. However, some states which have large population can get up to 2 vacancies. Date of notice is 30th June 2017. Offline starting date of application through postal services is 30th June 2017. Offline last date of receiving application at specified centers across the state is 30th September 2017. Date of written examination for English and Maths forenoon and afternoon, it will be conducted on 1st of December 2017, and for general knowledge on 2nd of December 2017 forenoon examination will be conducted. Interview on viva examination will be conducted on 5th April 2018. Medical examination will be followed later, and the candidate will be admitted in the month of July 2018. Admissions are made to class 1, that is equivalent to 8th standard. Those candidates who have completed their 7th standard or pursuing their 7th standard in recognized school at the time of admission in the Rashtriya Indian Medical College will be selected. So if you are pursuing in 7th standard right now and we will be admitted in next year for 8th standard, you can appear for this particular examination. Candidate should be medically fit before entering the college in accordance with the medical standard prescribed. Candidate should not be less than 11 years of age but must not have attained age 13 years as on 1st of July 2018. That is, they should not be born earlier to July 2005 and not later than 1st January 2007. Mode of application is through offline mode only. You have to write a application with a written request to Commandant Rashtriya Indian Medical College, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, pin code number 248003, insisting for a prospectus and application. When you are sending that application, you have to also send a demand draft of rupees 600 for general candidates and a demand draft of rupees 555 for SC/ST candidates along with their caste certificates. Drawn in favor of the Commandant, RIMC, Dehradun, payable at State Bank of India, Tel Bhavan, branch, Dehradun. Branch code number is 01576. When you write an application to them demanding for an application, they will send you the prospectus cum application. The address should be typed and all the things should be either typewritten or written typescript or written type clearly in capital letters with a pin code and the contact number. The application form issued by RIMC shall be only valid. You can't take any photocopies of that application what you receive, or hologram of seal without the RIMC is not acceptable. So ensure once you received the application you have that RIMC seal hologram over the application. No refund of application fee on any condition will be entertained. Once you fill in the application correctly, the filled in application should be sent in duplicates, that is one original copy and one photocopy of all the necessary documents. Accompanied documents are 2 passport size photograph, domicile certificate from the principal, not principal, I have written it wrongly, of the school in original, stating the date of birth and class in which you are appearing. It should be signed by the principal. Application should reach the respective state government offices of parents and guardians domicile, where your parents or guardians domicile. If you are a domicile of Andhra Pradesh and if you are working in Tamil Nadu, that doesn't matter. Your parents are working in Tamil Nadu, that doesn't matter. You can state that particular thing in the application and you have to submit the same in the state government offices by 30th September 2017 5:45 pm. You should not send the application to RIMC Dehradun. Don't forget it. You should not send it to RIMC Dehradun, but only to the state government offices. It will be mentioned in the RIMC webpage if you want, or you can see in the newspapers too. Filled in applications for Tamil Nadu candidates. For example, I am providing here. Tamil Nadu candidates can send the filled in application to Controller of Examination TNPSC, Fraser Bridge Road, VOC Nagar, Chennai 60003, Tamil Nadu. You will also receive RIMC scholarships when you are studying in that particular institute. Like Assam people will be getting something around 30,000 per member per annum. Andhra Pradesh will be getting a scholarship amount of 14,000. Arunachal Pradesh 12, Bihar 30, Chhattisgarh 14, Chandigarh 33, Goa 20, Gujarat 48, Haryana 35, Himachal Pradesh 20, Jammu and Kashmir 25, Jharkhand 15, Karnataka 15, Kerala 27, Maharashtra 20, Manipur 11, Mizoram 40, Madhya Pradesh 12, Meghalaya 20, Nagaland you will be getting the full reimbursement, Odisha 12, Pondicherry 20, Punjab 33, Rajasthan 12, Sikkim 20, Tamil Nadu 12,000, Uttarakhand 12,000, Uttar Pradesh 12,000 and West Bengal 20,000. Exam pattern will be like written examination will be there. As I told you, there will be a written examination on 1st and 2nd of December 2017. Written examination type will be like English 125 marks, Maths 200 marks, General Knowledge 75 marks. Maths and general knowledge papers may be answered either in Hindi or in English. To qualify the examination, the candidate must obtain a minimum of 50% in each subject. A 5 hours examination will be conducted. As I told you, it will be in 5th of April 2018 and that will be carrying 50 marks. And you need to secure a minimum percentage of 50%. Medical examination will be conducted for those selected candidates, and those candidates who are found medically fit only will be enrolled for this particular college. Other candidate will be exempted from it. Next reservation candidate will be called in for. Web address of medical standards I have provided here. Any further details that you may require, you can follow the link that I have provided here. I have provided the link also in the description section below this video. If you like our video, comment, share and chat to your friends. If you like further updates, if you would like to receive further updates from us, subscribe to our channel, press the notification bell symbol for regular and further updates. Thank you. Stay connected with Keep Updated. Thank you.